Yeah, my Facebook friend them. Oh, early man, look at man just like that. What time now after 10? I look up at me look after 10. Hmm? Oh God, the only thing wrong with my face is just a fuck up. Me in jeopardy, oh God, right just a fuck up. I make a post out there, me notice that Amari, she listen to the post or she watch the post or something out to know she now look a blood clot. But Amari, you the class people make blood clot statement I use nobody yourself because remember say it's a big fat sour blood clot. You understand? Remember the big slipper but nobody use them parts? Yeah, that's you, my love. You come with one big blood clot canvas. You know canvas them in children slippers them pan up long market and sell slippers, 50 for one pair. I'm gonna remove your ugly looking kryptonite face all over grave blood clot. Amari, you look cute. You not cute. Amari, look me cute. I'm not even put on one wig, me nice, and you talk at you. Look, mom make a pose, look. Mama look. Me cute your blood clot. I'm not if you ever want second and tape on one old time blood clot like that, we not about to have no words that your mouth a blood clot for class nobody. Something like, oh yeah, if you want class blood clot Olive and class Shibata and class Baba move your blood clot. You could have class nobody because if you ever agnostic as no blood clot, we now look upon you. We not count you out in a real press like on your only blood clot thinking girl on your page. One enough no blood clot. They don't think girl on your page when have no style and nothing but blood clot them. Adam alone, they make you feel like you're somebody like your ratings. You is somebody, probably not mad like a blood clot, you and then probably take 2 pills at night time just like you, my dear. You understand? If you calm down them seizure and them all them blood clot, my this I go through them frustration and them problem, my dear. So they be clip and like pan you, because they don't really have nothing for blood clot, they don't really have long for living either, just like yourself. You understand? So if you stop them sitting there, girl, and if you remember, sir, you see the brick wall, but they end of your, so me make a video and I want camera, you know. See, yeah, that can now. Yeah, and yes or no? You brick wall, girl, you brick wall. You talk about me something about like you say you move around new house or something like I said in your new video. You need to move up on blood clot when me see like house go. Cause look on blood clot, Olive. Mr. Olive the video me and Olive go on. Olive the video and Olive go on bad na blood clot. Olive show everybody that they in our house. She show kitchen, bathroom, every blood clot. She show the stove, the oven, the cooking, the rice when the blood clot cook, the chicken, the bubble. Olive they show every blood clot thing, my love. Olive now look for you. Olive say you're not getting him back. So I will not send him to blood clot, Jamie. Olive still not looking at you. Understand? Olive still not looking. Olive say you're a blood clot. Useless lady. You're just ignorant and frustrated. And you need to go somewhere else and take out your frustration somewhere else. Well, you not go down and there. You know Jamaica, don't you? You know the Hamadans? Yeah, I don't have Samsung blood clot. So I'm here and so is that. One of them. If you go hang up your body for one blood clot, you long Hamadans. Look for your ugly all over grave looking blood clot. You have somebody? Yeah? Me Amari or somebody more you read, more you watch the post and answer me can want to see who I'm out better than who I'm out. Want to see if you have your word or your mouth to tell blood clot me. Yeah. Like you're a big man, so if your words run out of your head and you're a little blood clot boy, so I go angry, a big fat sour blood clot. I want to kick you like a footballer. I want box like a volleyball to blood clot. Look by Amari. Amari, I want to take one blood clot, one piece of thread, and just sew blood clot, yes, so sewing part of your chin and sewing part of yes, make your face kind of look proper. Cause I don't understand how your blood clot looks. If you have piggy with the wig in your blood clot. How about you? You don't already blood clot, so we're going to explore somewhere else. The boy and I want to say, well, I live stay him the boy. I live stay him the boy. Move your blood clot. Yeah, I say go. Alright, when you watch the video, girl, watch the video because you may buy it on. I don't really buy it, not just stop me attack and I can't video stop me attack. You understand? So when you watch the video, darling, you know, and when you buy it, I want to split me, look. I make one split in the early morning, so the whistle, yeah, you can make cute. My ears them boring, so. Make cute, yeah. I mean, no somebody can watch my video and tell me some blood clot cute. Eh? Or some of you have blood clot pick on the umbrella. Like how you. Look by your class, go like you want class, stupid people. I'm not preferring. You go on Amari page. I look at Amari video. I look at Amari blood clot face. Amari for your crocodile and bed slippers to blood clot. Amari lead down to blood clot. But like I'm smoke week be about 10 20 blood clot. I laugh with me love just because I hear them. Yeah. So Amari, You need to get up. I'm going to give my buy something like you. Some sleep down. I'm saying a Jamaican name. I'm saying immunizer. Fat reducer. More can come and just on lampard come give you really need to go to the blood clot vet. A long time you get for your joke, my love. You need to go on blood clot vet. Go get your joke and all these things and go on body shop and then change from the outside and to the inside. Look from blood clot, you Amari. Amari, if you want to fuck puppy and push down post to blood clot. You know when you use mapstick and lick post. Amari, my answer girl. Answer come mommy I go 22. Like God, the boy come make you see me because I go on bad. Amari, look from blood clot you. Amari, you favor agony sectors. You favor monkey pan stoplight to look wife in a blood clot. Amari, you could make me feel intimidated. Amari, look upon you. Amari, you could have cost me a blood clot. Amari, you weigh 1,700 pounds. Amari, you want me to chop off part of your hip and chop off part of your face and carry go to the body shop and then downsize your body. Amari, I want you to argue with me. I want to bring out the lady from England and let the lady from England close you, Amari. Come, honey, argue with me. Answer, please, answer. I want you to answer me. You're not going to answer me, Amari. I want you to. You stupid fat fuck, I want you to answer me. Amari, I want you kick you dead in the blood clot. Amari, look upon you. Amari, your foot big in the blood clot. Amari, move your ibby looking big fat think blood clot. Amari, I want to argue with you. Argue. Let us argue. I want you to argue now, idiot. Stupid, useless girl. Fool, I swear, idiot. Abomination to women. You make women look bad now. Yeah, useless. You're uselessful, idiot. You're a criminal now. You want to send people to jail like you're somebody. Your tribe shall be cut down from the root. Stupid idiot, girl. Aye, stupid idiot. Stupid fool. You will go back to Lagos. Donald Trump has been and you will go back to Lagos where you come from. You big fat swine. Amari, you shape like a puddle of water. You shape like a puddle of water now. And you're coming on social media, you're arguing with people. And your body is not on the up and up. Come on, stop it now. It is not good. It looks disgusting now. And for me to look so cute and argue with you, it turns down my character a little bit. But because I know that you are big fat and so on, think I have to argue with you. You know that you're not the only person with a mouth and you cannot argue with everybody on the social media. You are stupid. Okay? So, Amari, I want to make sure that I post this video on Facebook because I want you to answer me. Okay? So, I'm going to post this video on Facebook and I want you to answer me within 2 days. If you watch this in 2 days, I want you to answer me probably as you watch it, okay? Because I really want to get hot on Facebook. I really want to show people who has a bigger mouth. Because you act like you want to handle everybody, honey. That ain't going to work. Okay? That is not going to work, girl. Girl, sometimes you're supposed to just sit down and just be ugly. Just stay there and make some ugly looking face so people can say bad things about you, girl. Because you're not looking good. Yeah, y'all need to change your character, okay? Change your character, girl. You don't look good. And I know your mama didn't raise no fool. Your mama didn't raise no fool, I'm sure of that. Did your mama raise a fool? I know she did. She raised a big fat red chicken. That's where you are. A big fat red chicken, girl. I know, girl, I know you're hungry. I'm going to give you a piece of my chewing gum. Girl, don't put your mouth on my mouth. Amari, you stink. Amari, are you trying to take my chewing gum out of my mouth, Amari? Amari, you fucking crazy? I want to beat your... Amari, move your blood clot. Amari, where? Amari, move your blood to me bite in your pussy clot. Amari, where? You big for him think. Big up to my good ass friend them from blood clot Facebook. The hot girl them. For make it possible. I'm Mr. Kiki. And I'm Mr. Bama. And I'm Mr. Everything that is cute. So go on, Amari. I want to hear you answer me. Amari, I want to buy some Pampers and give to you. Because I realize that there is no panty to fit your size. Okay? And I am making arrangement with the dead house that if you do pass off, we make some castics for your side because we don't have any castics down here to fit you. Understand? And this we're going to have to cut off parts of your body and just pack it in like sardine. As you wouldn't find any plastic to feed you. So you're probably going to have to make one or just chop you up. So we're going to notify the body shop as to when you're going to die and just tell her. Okay? So Amari, my baby father soon come, as I tell you. So I am over and out. I don't want him to see me behaving badly. So yeah. You look cute to see one see. Amari look at your blood clot man want you. Hey, Amari man want blood clot, yeah, man ready for come here. Amari man want blood clot, yo. Amari if you have a tic-tac-toe and jigsaw puzzle and pussy clot. Amari if you have the blood clot, if you want Jack's ball. Here's a boom blood clot. If you want all time. You know, someone afraid of kryptonite, you come back a kryptonite to blood clot. People afraid of you. Eh? Every time I look on you to blood clot, the last time you pass. About one place me here, so me here, no know if it's true or like so. Me see you pass on two Chinese woman and run off and say, Godzilla! No true, they love me, so them run off no blood clot. So me don't know. You know, if you follow ground, my love, you following ground. You following ground, I follow ground. I should miss what the read them, about 3 split this month, we can't really talk properly. Amari, I don't like you. Point blank girl, I don't really like you. I guess so now, yeah, class people for no reason. You see, they come on social media now, come create the phone and get a joke and something. More the real angry, you know, but you're angry people them for a reason, I don't know. Probably because you think people them better than you, or because you think when you're angry, shabada, you go get one of likes. No, girl, I must say you can't get no likes. I got big fat people think people don't really get all likes too much, you know. I must say big fat and there's nothing real about you. You understand, slim girls when you understand what I mean? You slim girl, when they didn't get likes because they put on different clothes and look different hairstyles. So mama say you're fat now girl. So the whole thing go look different but is the hairstyle if you change. You know, your face now change, your body now go look no different and nothing. So you're not gonna work out. I'm sorry. Not gonna work out. I understand. And I'm gonna even do one more you answer me. I mean I like you, but I love you with the love of the Lord. Okay? I don't like you personally. But I love you with the love of the Lord because I don't hate anybody. Understand? Yeah. But me still gonna notify the body shop. So later, Amari, the man soon come.